Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to add a book an appointment option on LinkedIn. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to add a booking appointment option to your LinkedIn profile, whether you have a premium subscription or a free account. For premium users, open your profile and click the pencil icon near your photo or premium badge. Scroll to the custom button section, select the booking appointment option, and paste your scheduling link from tools like Calendly, Simply Book Me, or Doodle. Save your changes and your button will appear prominently on your profile. Post messages and search results. If you're on a free account, you can still share your booking link by clicking the pencil icon, going to contact info, and adding your link under your website, naming it something like book a meeting. Additionally, include a clear call to action in your about or summary section and use a featured section to showcase your link front and center, making it easy for anyone to schedule a meeting without you. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.